Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use an easy-cook induction cooker. Start by placing a compatible flat-bottom pan on the center of the cooktop and plug in the unit. Turn the power on, choose a low heat setting, and listen for the icon that confirms contact. Adjust heat gradually while stirring, and use timers when needed. Always lift the pan to move it and wipe spills after cooling for safety. The control panel is simple and intuitive for quick cooking. Tap the power button to wake the cooker, then choose a preset or use plus and minus to find the exact heat you need. Presets lock in safe temperatures for tasks like boiling or simmering, while the timer frees you from watching the clock. For delicate sauces, keep the heat low and stir periodically to prevent sticking or burning. Induction cookers are safer, but still require care during use. Always check cords and plugs for damage before connecting, and avoid using the cooker near water. Use only compatible magnetic pans to ensure proper heating and avoid accidental slips. Keep children and pets away while the surface is hot, and use oven mitts when handling cookware. Clean spills after the surface cools to maintain performance and hygiene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.